Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Nice change today to see the sun shining, the skies dry. There's no snow, sleet, or rain on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar this noontime. You go ahead and take a look at the current conditions, and I don't expect any to develop over the course of the day today or overnight tonight. Well, we have gotten through quite a stretch so far. The time from January 24th through February 2nd yesterday, we picked up just over 30 inches of snowfall at T.F. Green Airport, making it the snowiest 10 days on record here in Rhode Island, topping in the time around the blizzard of 78. So very snowy stretch, and we are looking at the potential for 2 more storms here in the next 7 days. Live city cam over Providence showing the sunshine right now at 20 degrees, feeling like 9 with the winds. It's 20 now in Smithfield. Average this time of year is 38 degrees. We're nowhere near that in Warwick. 21 is what the temperature is right now. Seacog's at 21. We're coming in at about 21 degrees in Coventry. High pressure's building in. That storm system from yesterday moving out. The winds are starting to relax a little bit. This is just a little bit of high cloud cover that's clipping our area, but overall it's a mostly sunny sky, and we'll keep that through the rest of the day today. After Futurecast here this afternoon shows temperatures around that 20-degree mark, falling to about 13 overnight tonight. We will see an increase in the clouds overnight tonight, and there's a small chance of getting clipped by a flurry. A little disturbance going to travel over northern New England, so we miss out on most of that, but we'll get some extra clouds around. The temperatures will be a little bit warmer, and there'll be that potential for that quick flurry in the morning. Southwest winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Looking ahead to that next storm chance on Thursday. Here's the Futurecast. This for Thursday morning around the time of the early commute, and you can see some snow breaking out across New England here. This was from a cold front coming through. Now, I want to draw your attention to the green that you see offshore. That's a storm system that our computer models are showing developing out over the ocean. This particular computer model keeps it far enough away that all of that precipitation stays offshore, and we just get a little bit from the cold front coming through. There are some computer models out there today, in fact, some of the more reliable ones, that still show a higher impact, where the center of that storm that I mentioned offshore be a little bit closer. One of those models here, the European model this morning, has been showing a track very close to the coastline, which would bring potentially another plowable snow to our area. So there's still some questions about how close this area of low pressure will be coming to our region on Thursday, and that's going to really determine just how much snow we get. Right now, the chances of seeing snow are high, but the question remains, how much do we see? So we're looking at a Thursday, snow likely possibly impacting the morning commute and maybe even into the evening commute. In terms of accumulation amounts right now, they're looking minor based on that storm tracking a little bit further away, but if it ends up tracking closer to us, we could see another 6 inches or more in parts of southern New England. It's all dependent on that track. 35 degrees for tomorrow. Headed up to Boston for the Patriots parade. The temperature is at 9 o'clock in the morning, getting up into the 20s. By 11 o'clock, near 30 degrees, and at 1 in the afternoon, we'll be at around 33. Beyond Thursday, the next chance for a storm system, Sunday night into Monday. Another one of those offshore storms, so we'll be keeping an eye on the potential track of that system. You can see in the 7-day Futurecast a lot of cold air temperatures. The trend here will be for below average highs. We get a little boost in the temperature tomorrow, and then we're right back into the deep